Hello, everyone. My name is Paul Ratliff, and you're watching Paul's Railroad. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Tonight's video is going to be a little different. I'm not going to be doing any painting or any modeling or anything of that nature. Last time we were together, I showed you how to use those inexpensive acrylic craft paints and run them through airbrush. And got a lot of great comments on that video. I really appreciate it. Keep those comments coming. Over on my Facebook page, which is also Paul's Railroad, by the way, you can follow me over there if you want to. I also got some questions, not about the acrylic paints or how to do it or the airbrush, but about this little building that I painted as our example. A lot of guys ask me, "Hey, where did I get that? Where can I find one?" As most of you know, all of the items that I show on my channel, buildings, some of the rolling stock that I've done, that's all my own creation. And all of those creations, I sell the files over at Cults3D.com. If you want to go check it out, just go to Cults3D.com and type in Sandy Creek Designs. It's all one word, and it'll bring up everything that I have. This building is not on there yet, though. Also, I have 7 more buildings that are very similar to this. It's like the old downtown buildings that you see Walther's kits make, all the big brand name kits. It's nothing new, but these are my twist, my design on them. A lot of them are based on my own hometown, downtown area. Anyhow, w- like I said, I don't like to post anything on Cults 3D until I have a finished product to show you. I don't know about you guys. If you've been 3D printing for a while, like I have, I know I have downloaded some STL files before that only showed a 3D rendering of the item. I've tried to print it and it's failed. And no matter what I do, I cannot get to print or I have to go in and fix it. And if you're going to buy a file, it should be ready to go out of the box. You shouldn't have to touch it. You should just be able to plug it in, set your printer settings, and let it rip, right? So that's why I will not show, oh, I'm sorry, that's why I won't show, nor will I sell anything on my website at Calls 3D until it is finished, until you can see, hey, this is what it could look like when I'm done printing it. Like I said, I have 7 more buildings besides this one to get painted. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of those buildings and I'm going to post it on Cults to download for free. The reason I'm doing that for, guys, is I want you to be able to get your hands on one of my designs, print it, check it out, see if you like it. I'm going to be perfectly honest with you. If you like it, I'm hoping you come back and you buy some of the other buildings. I mean, every little bit of money that I get from my sales, and granted, I don't charge a lot for my stuff, goes right back into my hobby. That's how I support this hobby. Um, Even if you don't have a 3D printer, still download it for free. There are print services out there that you can send it to have it printed for a nominal fee. Unfortunately, Cults 3D does not offer any kind of printing services. If you don't want to print it, if you don't have a 3D printer, if you follow along with me on my Fusion 360 tutorials, download it anyways. Drag that file into Fusion 360 and check it out. Now, being that it's an STL file, you're not going to be able to do a lot of manipulation with that file. It's already complete. It's not a Fusion 360 file. Another place you could do or take that file to is a program called Tinkercad. It's tinkercad.com, I believe. Again, it's another free 3D software. It is online only. It's a very simplistic software. Some of you guys may have already heard of it, but you can check out that file there as well. Heck, on that one, you could even add stuff to it, change it up a little bit. I mean, you can't change the main structure that you drag in, it's finished, but you could add another window to it, or you could add a little dormer off of it, whatever. Practice over there if you want to. So, like I said, guys, go over. It's going to be maybe a week or two. Then head on over to Cults 3D and check out my files that I have uploaded up there for you guys. It might even be 3 weeks. I actually forgot I'm on vacation next week. My wife and I are going away. Check them out, guys, and get that free file. Download it to your heart's content. Show it to your friends. Share it with your friends. You know, let them know I'm out there. And as always, guys, I want to thank you for spending your time with me. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to tap that bell icon and smash that thumbs up for me, guys. I really appreciate all that input from you. And you know what? I love you guys. Thank you. Take care and have a good night.